In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a formula column to change currency in Monday.com. To begin, navigate to your Monday.com workspace. Open the board where you want to perform currency conversions. This could be your sales tracker, budget planner, or client payments board. Ensure that this board has a numbers column containing the original currency values, like the USD amount. Once your board is ready, let's add a formula column. Look to the right side of your board and click the Add Column button. From the options presented, select Formula. Rename this new column to something relevant, such as amount in PHP or converted currency, depending on the currency into which you're converting. Next, it's time to apply the currency conversion formula. You have the option to use either a fixed exchange rate or a dynamic one if you have an integration set up. For a fixed exchange rate, use a formula like this. If 1 USD equals 56 PHP, simply use USD amount. 56. If you wish to format it with the currency symbol, modify it slightly to P and round USD amount 56.2. This makes your result more presentable, reflecting an amount like P2D 800 analysis when your USD amount is 50. To change to other currencies, here are some example formulas you can use. If converting from USD to ER, try BUYO and round /USD amount 0.922. For USD to GBP, use GBP and round USD amount 0.792. Going from USD to JPY would look like this. YGISA and round USD amount 150.52. If you're converting to AUD, use A plus and round USD amount 1.512. For converting PHP to USD, you might use dollar and round PHP amount 56.2. After determining your formulas, don't forget to format them according to your needs. Click on the formula column header, then access the settings to adjust decimal places or the column width to suit your board's design. You can also change the column name to something clearer, like converted amount P, if that helps. If you're interested in automating your exchange rate updates, consider integrating with Make.com, formerly Integromat, or Zapier. These can pull live exchange rates from APIs such as XE or Open Exchange Rates. Update a number column with the latest rates daily and then reference that column in your formula to add dynamism, like this: USD amount, exchange rate. Finally, take advantage of your freshly calculated conversions by using them in dashboards. Add a numbers widget to display sums of these converted amounts. This way, you can quickly access overviews like total in PHP or total in USD. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage currency conversions within your Monday.com boards, streamlining financial tracking and reporting.